那个也是要领手机的，在那边排队。
வேற எண்ணூத்தி $30
Let's see the blue that
This is a normal free photo, and I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D spatial scene.
yeah, you need to get it yes, correct. This one's in the 17th. Oh my gosh, do you want to check your child? Yeah.
This is now a spatial scene that I will take my phone so you can see a little bit clearer. Okay, so this is a spatial scene. I can take any 2D photo and convert it to a new 3D image, and that's available. Okay, and that's available as I mentioned across all the new devices, all the 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, as well as the iPhone X. Like in case that you see any colors that you might prefer, you want to see other colors, we do have our team members ready to help you out at this staircase over on the left hand side. But generally the ones that we have on the left hand side is all the 42 and 40 mm, and then the ones that we have on the right side are all the 46 mm and 44 mm. And if I come into the frame, and that will bring more people. And if you just bring it out, like maybe to the back of the store, you will see that you automatically rotate.